YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and SKPRO sent me out these pair of pants in this awesome little box, man. Honestly, I wish I had like 20 pair of these pants. I've already worn them and we'll get into that. Listen, man, I want to take all these boxes and just put them on the shelf. Like, that's all I want to do. Like, I just want like 20 pair of these pants, and maybe they even make shirts. I love the fact that they came in a box. I've never had pants in a box. As you can see here, they sent me out these pants. These pants do a lot, okay? These pants are just more than pants, okay? Because they hold everything. They have knee pads, high durability, heavy duty fabric, and the pants feel a little heavy. I'm gonna show you the pants here in a moment, and then we're gonna actually go out in the field, okay? They got the YKK on the zipper. Y'all know all about the YKK on the zipper. And honestly, I'm doing this video right here with no pants on because I wanna put my pants on two legs at a time, just like you guys do, right? Water resistant, okay? So they came in this box. I've already opened them up. I don't really believe in unboxings. I don't do unboxings, so let's get rid of the box. What I want to do is I want to show you first is I have a pair of my Milwaukee pants, okay? And you guys know that I'm a Milwaukee guy. These pants right here be giving me some major gratis. But as you can see right here, that the pants have a hole right here in the crotch. A lot of my pants have wore that way in the crotch. The rest of the pants look fine. Honestly, like they just don't really wear all that well. And Milwaukee always does a good job at a lot of different things. Live and die by Milwaukee. I would never buy another pair. I see they came out with the black pair. I'm done with Milwaukee clothes. The high dry stuff I'm not really into. They are some nut huggers, to be honest. So those are the Milwaukee pants that I've had. Here are the SK pants right here. One thing I absolutely love about these is they have multiple pockets. You see they have this little adjustable. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller, depending on what type of hammer or type of tool that I decide to hang off of me. In regards to that little strap right there, they have like this little thing right here. It's like a little bit of a carabiner. And honestly, I'm not sure how long that will last, for the simple fact that it's plastic and just being rough, and just, I love their logo. Their logo's pretty cool. Go back to the front of the pants. One thing I've noticed about the pants is the pockets go straight down, which is really good because I don't really have that curvage type thing going on in most pants. Like your little thumb can do that type of thing right there. That's not really happening. I like the fact that they're going straight down. I didn't know I like straight down pockets until I had a pair of these. And then they have a pocket right here, a little bit of a situation going on right here where you can put multiple tools. The back pockets kind of have that straight down thing too. One thing I like about the pants is that really have this thing going on to where it's almost like the stitching is really good in regards to, it's kind of separate to get more things in the pockets there. There is a lot of times I carry a lot of screws or a lot of different things, so I can put more things in my pocket there. On the other side here, I have with more pockets. I think we already looked at that side. So I have another little loop right here. I have a place right here where I could put like a pair of pliers, screwdrivers. But more importantly, what I really like about these pants is the fact that I can open this up right here, the knees, and I can add a knee pad in there. I can put a knee pad inside there to hold that knee pad inside the pants, and that way I don't really have them on the external part of my body. They're just on the internal part. That's just, it's really cool. Something else I noticed earlier too is as my pants, my Milwaukee pants, rip right there in the crotch. Right? That's where a lot of guys would split their pants maybe, or even in the back. Right here, what they've done is they've added a little bit more stitching right there in that crotch area to make it even more secure, right? Really hold all that together because they know where we bust our butt when it comes to working hard and building and doing construction. These pants are awesome, man. I really like them. Like I said, they're heavy duty. The fact that they came in this box right here is just amazing. Like, how did you get these pants in this box? But SKPRO, you see it, you see it, you see it. SKPRO is the way to go. That should be their slogan. SKPRO is the way to go. These are some great pants. I'm gonna put a link below. You guys can get a pair. I do believe in good quality, and I do believe in things that are long lasting. That's all that matters, right? Thanks for watching. I see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, we're doing a little series right now. Items you can get from Home Depot to start a business for under $100. So make sure you subscribe to that series that I'm doing. Leave me a comment. Let me know that what you guys think about this SKPRO pants. All right, man. See you guys in a few. Let me put these on 2 legs at a time. I'm gonna teach you guys how to put pants on 2 legs at a time.